Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix ad friend not showing on your Facebook. Now without any further ado, let's dive in. First thing first, launch Facebook app on your device and make sure they are logged into your account. After that, if you are not able to see ad friend option when you're trying to add a random account, that might be because if that person has restricted the incoming friend request from everyone. That means tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner, and in here tap on settings, and now scroll down, and now in audience and visibility tap on how people find and contact you. Once you tap on there, at the very first you will see who can send you friend request, and near that you will see an option that says everyone. If you tap on there, and if you tap on friends of friends, that means not everyone could send you friend request. So that is why the account that you are trying to send friend request has set up the same settings like here, and then you are not able to see the add friend option. So that was the one reason. But if this is not the case and still you are not able to find add friend option, then there are some problem with your account. For that you have to report Facebook support center. For that what you can do is go back to your home page, and then from here again tap on three line icon from the upper right corner. In here scroll down, and on the help and support tap on help and support, and in here tap on report a problem. After that scroll down and then tap on continue to report a problem, and then again tap on include. In here tap on friend request, and then in here type in your issue saying that you are not able to see the add friend option. Now once you type in your issue, again at the upper right corner simply send that issue. Then you have submitted a report to Facebook support center. Wait for 2 to 3 business days. During that time, Facebook will address your issue, and after you get response from Facebook, you will be able to log into your account and see add friend option is visible. I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.